Hey, you want to learn Generative AI and you want to bring your career to the next level? If you're looking for well-organized free content, yes, you're in the correct place. I have recently published one free Generative AI course on my YouTube channel, so here I have covered everything you need to master the Generative AI. Here we'll be learning about text preprocessing, text embedding, we'll be also learning about large language model, we'll see the OpenAI platform and its API. With the help of OpenAI also we'll be implementing different application. We'll be learning about how we can fine-tune one large language model on top of our custom data. We'll be exploring different open source large language model in the Hugging Face platform. I will teach you the Hugging Face in detail so that you can use Hugging Face platform to implement any kinds of GenAI based projects with the help of open source large language model. Here we'll be learning about prompt engineering. Even we'll be also mastering the vector database so that if you have any kinds of documents, how we can convert those documents to the embedding and how we can efficiently store those embeddings to the vector database so that you can connect your large language model. In this course, we'll be exploring different generative AI based framework, like we'll be learning about LangChain, Llama Index, and so on. Even we'll be also exploring different front-end framework like Generative, Flask, and Streamlit. At the end of the course, you will get lots of end-to-end projects for the practice. Here we'll be learning about modular coding and we'll be also learning about the entire pipeline of the Generative AI project. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. Again, I'm telling you, this is a complete free course. So click the link below and check out the course.